Good morning. Welcome to the first day of June. It is, of course, June 1st, 2012. It is 7:12 a.m. and temperatures right now are pretty much near normal for this time of year, ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s. Notice the winds, though, are starting to shift towards the east, and that means that clouds are going to start to increase as moisture from the Atlantic starts to move into the northern mid-Atlantic for this afternoon. We're already seeing clouds increasing over southeastern Pennsylvania and a little bit of fog over southern New Jersey. So let's take a look at the forecast and see what we're dealing with for today. Well, we have an area of low pressure is developing in the Ohio River Valley and a high pressure system that is shifting towards New England. The combination of these two features will continue to produce southeasterly winds over the New York City and Philadelphia metropolitan area for today. Now, what that's going to lead to is an increase in clouds. Now, what's happening here is that this low pressure system is being trapped by an upper level low developing over the western Great Lakes. And what's happening is that this low pressure system is going to shift towards the eastern Great Lakes. As a result, this warm front isn't going to move all that much. The warm front will move to roughly about the Delmarva Peninsula back towards southwestern Pennsylvania. And what that's basically going to cause is an easterly wind and southeasterly wind over the northern mid-Atlantic, an increase in cloud cover, but keeping the most unstable air to the south and west of the northern mid-Atlantic. So that basically means our temperatures are going to be stuck in the lower to mid 70s for highs along the coast and mid to upper 70s elsewhere. Most locations will be around 75, 76 degrees. Now, the temperatures in the 70s are going to produce a more stable air mass over the northern mid-Atlantic. And what that basically means is that our severe thunderstorm threat is going to be pretty limited over the region. I think the best potential for severe thunderstorms is going to be over portions of North Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Maryland, perhaps even Kentucky and Tennessee, basically to the south and west of this warm front. Now, as the low pressure system lifts north and this cold front becomes an occluded front, basically what we can expect for tonight is periods of moderate to heavy rainfall starting after 10 p.m. and continuing on through 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. This rainfall will move out of the region by tomorrow morning with lingering scattered showers through the mid-morning hours tomorrow, followed by clearing conditions thereafter. So we're looking at anywhere from a half an inch to an inch of rain with locally higher amounts. But I do think any threat for severe thunderstorms will remain to the south and west. And what we'll be dealing with is more of elevated thunderstorms capable of wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour, occasional lightning. But the key point here is heavy downpours. That's pretty much what I'm expecting for tonight, late tonight. So if you have plans to go into a Mets game or go into any outdoor activities for tonight, you should be good until about 10 p.m. and then thereafter your threat for rain will increase exponentially. Taking a look at the latest model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website using the European model guidance, you can see for tonight our upper level low has gone into a negatively tilt. That's when the trough is basically oriented from southeast to northwest. And what that's going to do is draw in a tremendous amount of moisture into the northern mid-Atlantic from the Atlantic Ocean, producing widespread moderate to heavy rainfall late tonight into tomorrow morning. Here's our low pressure system lifting up into the eastern Great Lakes. And you can see that that warm front never passes to the north of the northern mid-Atlantic, never even moves through the region. Instead, what we have is a occluded front moving through the northern mid-Atlantic tonight, which again will keep our severe threat to the south of the region, but keep a heavy rainfall threat in for tonight. As we move in towards tomorrow into Saturday night into Sunday morning, should I say, that low pressure system will continue to lift into the Great Lakes, and what will be is on the backside of this upper level low. So for this weekend, what we can expect is basically sky cloud covered, an occasional isolated shower here and there, but for the most part, temperatures near normal with low humidity. Temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 70s along the coast and mid to upper 70s elsewhere. Saturday is going to be your coolest day with temperatures region-wide in the lower to mid 70s. But again, pretty much near normal for this time of year. Unsettled conditions will continue on through early next week, with the potential for a few isolated showers each day throughout the region. And then for the middle and end of next week, look for another disturbance to develop, producing the potential for scattered showers on Wednesday and Thursday. Nothing heavy, but again, still a threat for scattered showers. Temperatures will remain near normal with lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s, highs in the mid to upper 70s for the most part. Heading in towards next weekend and early next week, I'm expecting a significant ridge to develop over the eastern United States. Now, unfortunately, a disturbance is going to get cut off to the south of this ridge, producing the threat for scattered showers throughout the southeast. But I think the northern mid-Atlantic remains dry, with temperatures averaging in the upper 70s to lower 80s, and humidity remaining moderate, basically in the upper 50s to lower 60s as far as the dew points. But again, I am expecting near to slightly above normal temperatures heading into next weekend and early next week. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. You can follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.